Hello, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss another method of Python, which is isupper. So if you have remembered that last method, which is islower, so it is a vice versa of that method. It means here it will check whether the characters in the string only contains a uppercase letters. Okay, if all the characters of the string is uppercase, then it will return true. Otherwise, it will return false. Okay. So if and even in a is lower function, it was bit different, right? There we were checking whether it is whether the characters are small case or not. If it is a small, then it was returning true, and if it was not small, then it is returning if it was small case, then it was returning the true value, but if it was uppercase, then it was returning false value. But here you can see that both the method by name you can indicate, like is upper is for verifying whether the string is uppercase or not. Okay, that's it. In short, you can understand, like if the string contains only uppercase letter, then it will return true. If it contains other than uppercase, then it will return false. Okay, so let's see one by one all scenarios. So for the first scenario, you can see that we are storing the string one as hello. Okay, and it is of all characters of a small type. So is upper will return false because there is no, like, characters are not in uppercase. So that's why it will return false. So let me run this program quickly. So for that I will write in my terminal Python. My program name is session37.py and I will hit enter. So you can see it returns false, which is correct because it is not holding the uppercase letters. Now if I look into the second scenario, here I'm storing the string as capital world. Everything is capital letters, so it should return true. So the syntax is quite simple. Same manner we are using string2 dot is upper and parenthesis. So what it will do, it will check if all the characters is of type uppercase, then it will return true, and it is returning true because world is of capital letters. Okay, now the third scenario, can we pass 1 2 3 and special symbols also along with the characters? Yes, you can pass, but the whatever the character you are using, it should be only of uppercase type. So you can see here ABC is in uppercase, so it is returning true because it will allow, like if you are storing any character, it should be only in uppercase, otherwise everything is allowed here, so it will return true. Similarly, if in fourth scenario you can see that we are storing the string as Python is awesome, but there are many characters which are of small case or lower case, so that's why it is returning false. So what are the primary goal of isupper method? That it will look into the string, and if it finds all the character of uppercase, then it is fine, it will return true, otherwise it will return false. Okay, so yeah, that's all for this session. In the upcoming session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.